Mike, simple question. What did you do yesterday?
Oh, yesterday I go no. I went to, help.
See, talking about the past is tricky for beginners.
But don't worry, friends. Today we learn the past simple, easy, and slow.
By the end, you will tell your whole yesterday in English. Let's go. Hi everyone. I'm Sarah. Welcome back to EDMA English.
And I'm Mike. So happy you are here again, my friends.
Today's topic is one word, yesterday. The day before today.
We talk about things that are finished, things in the past.
Like, yesterday I ate too much cake. Finished. Gone. In the past.
Cake, a beautiful past.
We use easy words in short sentences. Level A1 and A2.
Don't worry about mistakes. Say the words with us, okay?
We go slow and we say each example 2 times. Ready? Let's begin. First, sometime words. They tell us this is the past.
Number 1, yesterday. Yesterday I worked.
Number 2, last night. Last night I watched a movie.
Number 3, last week, last weekend, last year.
And 2 days ago, an hour ago. Ago means before now.
Say it with me. Yesterday, last night, last week.
When you hear these words, you know it's time for the past simple.
Past words are like a little signal. Beep. Use the past now, Mike.
Now the easy magic. For many verbs, we just add it.
Just Ed. That's it.
That's it. Work becomes worked. Play becomes played.
Watch becomes watched. Cook becomes cooked.
So, yesterday I worked. Last night I cooked dinner. Easy and clear.
Say it with me. I worked. I played. I watched. I cooked.
Listen, today I clean. Yesterday I cleaned. Just add it.
I like this rule. Lazy and easy, my favorite kind.
Now you try. Yesterday I.
Good job. Yesterday, I cleaned my room. See? You did it.
Here are more easy ones. Talked, walked, listened, stayed, helped.
Last night, I listened to music. I helped my mom. I stayed home.
Say it with me. I talked. I walked. I listened. I stayed.
Small tip. If the verb ends in E, just add D. Like becomes like.
I liked the movie. I lived there. I smiled all day. Just add D.
And if it ends in Y, like study.
Good question. Study becomes studied. The Y changes to IED.
Yesterday, I studied English with EDMA. The best homework.
Thank you. Now you try one more. Yesterday I. Okay, now the tricky part. Some verbs do not use it. We call them irregular.
Oh no, so I can't just add Ed?
Not for these. But don't worry, we only learn the common ones today.
Number 1, the big one, go becomes went.
Yesterday I went to work. I went home. Say it with me.
Number 2, have becomes had. I had breakfast.
Number 3, eat becomes ate. I ate pizza. Mike's favorite.
Always pizza. Number 4, see becomes saw. I saw a friend.
And number 5, do becomes did. I did my homework.
Say them with me. Went, had, ate, saw, did.
One more time slow. Go, went, have, had, eat, did.
These 5 verbs are everywhere. Learn them, and you are halfway there.
Ready for 5 more? They are common too. Listen carefully.
Get becomes got. I got a gift. Make becomes made. I made dinner.
Take becomes took. I took a photo. Come becomes came. She came home.
and buy becomes bought. I bought a coffee this morning.
Say them with me. Got, made, took, came, bought.
One more time slow. Get, got, make, made, take, took, come, came, buy, bought.
Irregular verbs are like naughty children. They don't follow the rule.
True, but don't worry. Learn just 2 or 3 each day.
In 1 month, you will know 30 verbs. That is real progress.
So today's 10 verbs. Went, had, ate, saw, did, got, made, took, came, bought. Powerful.
Now a special pair, was and were. The past of am is are.
For I, he, she, it, we use was. I was tired. She was happy.
For you, we, they, we use were. They were at home. You were late.
Say it with me. I was happy. They were happy.
Yesterday I was so sleepy. I was like a slow turtle all day.
And I was hungry. I'm always hungry. Past, present, future.
Now you try. Yesterday I was. Tell us how you felt.
And to say no, we use wasn't and weren't.
I wasn't tired. They weren't at home. Short for was not and were not.
Say it with me. I wasn't busy yesterday.
To ask, just flip it. Were you happy? Was it fun?
Answer, yes I was, or no I wasn't. Easy and natural.
Now, how do we ask about the past? We use one helper did.
Did? Just one word for all questions?
Yes. What did you do yesterday? Did you sleep well?
After did, the verb goes back to normal. Know it. Did you go, not did you went.
Good point, Mike. So, what did you eat? Where did you go?
Say it with me. What did you do yesterday?
And to answer, use the past. I went to the park. I ate lunch with a friend.
So I ask, you answer. Sarah, what did you do last weekend?
I visited my mother. We cooked together. It was lovely. Now you ask a friend. What if you did not do something? We use didn't.
Didn't is short for did not. I didn't sleep. I didn't eat.
Again, the verb stays normal. I didn't go. Not I didn't went.
Say it with me. I didn't watch TV last night.
Yesterday I didn't cook. I was too lazy. I just ate bread and cheese.
Bread and cheese is a perfect dinner. No cooking, no problem.
Now you try. Yesterday I didn't.
One important tip. After didn't, the verb stays normal. Say I didn't go, not I didn't went.
Right. Didn't already shows the past. So the verb rests.
Now let's talk about last weekend. 2 whole days in the past.
Good idea. What did you do last weekend, Mike?
I relaxed. I slept late. I watched football. I ate too much.
A lazy weekend. I love it. I went to the market and cooked a big meal.
Now you friends, last weekend I say 2 or 3 things.
Maybe you visited family. Maybe you stayed home and rested. Both are great.
Say it with me. Last weekend, I visited my family. Sarah, can I tell you about my yesterday? It was a disaster.
Oh yes. I love your disasters. Tell me everything.
Okay, yesterday morning, I woke up late. My alarm didn't ring. Again.
Oh, Mike, not the alarm again.
Yes. So I ran to the bus. But I missed it. The bus left without me.
Oh no. What did you do?
I waited 30 minutes. It started to rain. I had no umbrella. I got so wet.
Poor Mike. A wet, late morning.
Then, at the office, I opened my bag. And I forgot my laptop at home.
No, you forgot your laptop. Oh, that is too much.
I know. But then, a small good thing happened.
Oh, tell me.
A kind man on the street gave me his umbrella. He just smiled and walked away.
Ah, that is so beautiful. A bad day, but a kind person.
Yes, so even a disaster day had one warm moment. I never forgot it.
What did you say to him?
I said, "Thank you so much." But he was already gone. He just smiled and left.
A quiet kindness. Those are the best kind.
Yes, my yesterday was wet and crazy, but my heart was warm.
My turn. Let me tell you about a day I will never forget.
I am listening. Tell me.
Last summer, my family went to the beach. The sun was warm. The sea was blue.
That sounds wonderful.
We swam all morning. We ate ice cream. My little niece built a sandcastle.
Ah, a perfect family day.
In the evening, we watched the sunset together. Nobody talked. We just smiled.
Some moments don't need words.
Yes, it was simple, but it was perfect. I felt so happy and so thankful.
That is the magic of the past simple, friends. It lets you share your best memories.
So learn it well, so you can tell your beautiful days to the world.
Sarah, that beach day, it makes me think of my favorite trip.
Oh, tell me. A trip story is perfect for the past simple.
3 years ago, I went to the mountains with my best friend.
The mountains. What did you do there?
We walked all day. We took so many photos. At night, we made a small fire.
That sounds so peaceful.
We didn't have phones, no internet. We just talked and laughed.
No phones. Just two friends and the stars.
Yes, I saw a sky full of stars. I never saw so many in the city.
Did you feel happy?
So happy and so calm. It was simple, but it was one of the best days of my life.
See, friends? With easy past verbs went, walk, took, made, saw, Mike told a whole beautiful trip.
And you can too. Your memories in English. That is the goal.
Let's review. I say it, you say it after me. Ready?
Here we go. Nice and slow.
Yesterday I worked.
Last night I went home.
I had breakfast. I ate lunch.
I was tired. They were happy.
What did you do yesterday?
I didn't watch TV.
Wow. Regular verbs, irregular verbs, questions, and no. You have it all.
You learned so much today. Be proud of yourself. Really.
Now listen to my full yesterday. Easy sentences start to end.
Go ahead, Sarah.
Yesterday I woke up early. I had coffee and toast. I went to work by foot. I saw my friend Anna. We ate lunch together. After work I cleaned my house. I didn't watch TV. I was tired, so I went to bed early.
Beautiful. Did you hear all the past verbs, friends? Now my turn. Yesterday, I woke up late. I missed the bus. I got wet in the rain. I forgot my laptop, but a kind man gave me an umbrella. It was a crazy day.
You're crazy yesterday again, but you told it perfectly.
Now it is your turn. Tell us about your yesterday. Take your time.
One more time, slow and clear. You can do it.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake makes you better.
Let's do one more together. A simple yesterday for a busy person.
Yesterday, I worked all day. I had a quick lunch. I came home late. I was tired, so I went to bed early. I didn't watch TV.
Short, true, and all in the past. You don't need long sentences.
Just 5 or 6 small sentences. That is enough to tell your day.
Try yours now, 3 to 5 sentences about your yesterday. Slow. Remember, yesterday is finished, but the words live in you now.
Every day you practice, your past simple gets stronger and stronger.
Quick teaching corner. 1 sound point. The ed ending has 3 sounds.
3. I always say ed.
A common mistake. After most sounds it's a soft tort. Worked equals work T. Played equals play D.
Only after a T or D sound, we say a full ed. Wanted equals want ID. Needed equals need ID.
So watched equals watch T, not watch ed. Say it with me.
Now 3 common mistakes. Let's fix them.
Mistake 1. I didn't went. After didn't, use the base verb. I didn't go.
Mistake 2. Yesterday I go to work. With yesterday, use the past. I went to work.
Mistake 3. A heavy ed on every verb. Most are just a quick tort.
Fix these 3, and your past simple will sound natural and correct.
You did amazing today, my friend. Now it is your turn.
In the comments, tell us, what did you do yesterday? Just 3 sentences.
For example, yesterday I went to work. I ate noodles. I was happy.
And tell us, was your yesterday calm like Sarah's or crazy like mine?
Please, an easy day. No missed buses.
We read every comment. Your stories make our day.
Practice a little every day. Soon the past simple will feel easy.
If this helped you, please subscribe to EDMA English. Like and share too.
Thank you for learning with us today. Means so much.
See you in the next episode, my friends. Keep going. You are doing great.
Bye for now. And Mike, set 2 alarms tonight.
2 alarms. Good idea. Bye, everyone.